Everything you were taught about money is probably outdated. That's the bold claim at the heart of Rob Dix's book, 7 Myths About Money, and honestly, he makes a pretty compelling case. In this video, we're breaking down all 7 myths that might be quietly sabotaging your finances. Myth number 1, the path to wealth starts with a healthy savings account. Dix argues that frugality just creates an illusion of control. The real path to freedom isn't pinching pennies, it's increasing your income. Myth 2, work hard today, and retirement will be your reward. This model is obsolete. Dix introduces a crucial concept here. True financial freedom isn't about reaching some magic retirement age. It's about having choices. Myth 3, the right strategy is minimizing risk at all costs. But here's the twist, avoiding risk entirely might be the riskiest move you can make. Money sitting in accounts quietly loses purchasing power to inflation year after year. Instead of hiding from risk, Dix argues we need to learn how to manage it. Myth 4, owning a home is always the best investment, and renting is just throwing money away. This one runs deep. Let's run a quick thought experiment. Imagine you bought a house 20 years ago for $200,000, and today it's worth $500,000. Sounds great, right? But you live there. If you sell and buy something comparable, it'll cost about the same $500,000. Your financial position hasn't actually improved. Myth 5, compound interest will magically turn small savings into massive wealth. Look, compound interest is powerful, but it's not magic, and it doesn't work equally well in every environment. Counting on it as your only strategy in today's low-rate, high-inflation world? That's wishful thinking. Myth 6, diversifying across stocks and bonds is the ultimate protection. Mindless diversification, buying 100 random assets you don't understand, just dilutes your returns. Dix suggests it's far more effective to deeply understand a few specific sectors and make strategic moves there. Myth 7, picking stocks or starting your own business is way too risky for regular people. Sure, there's risk. But doing nothing? That's also a choice. The key isn't gambling, it's approaching things intelligently, learning continuously, and building real competence over time. Financial freedom is achievable, but not by blindly following outdated rules. You've got to think for yourself, question the dogma, and build your own strategy. If this resonates and you want more book summaries that help you think differently about money and life, hit that subscribe button. We drop new videos every week breaking down the best ideas from the world's most impactful books. Thanks for watching.